All right, so with this activity, I felt like it was pretty straightforward as far as who could be let go in the case of the downsizing. But I definitely wasn't easy for me because there are a lot of different situations. But I think that it would have to be the two individuals with the least amount of tenure with the organization. So I'm talking about Bob and Amy at the bottom part of the table, and although they both have decent job performance, it seems as if they don't really have any ties to any serious like other financial investments such as kids. I mean, I know Bob has some kids, but they're grown, and he also has a spouse, so they might be good if he is let go. And so yeah, that's why I'd let Bob go. Amy doesn't have kids and isn't married, and she's still fairly young, so I don't think that she would have as much of an issue if she was let go with regards to finding another job. Um, my main reasoning for not letting someone go like Sandra, for instance, even though her poor job performance is reflected on this table, she's a single mother with three kids, and I know that would be really hard for the family. It could, you know, maybe in a severe situation even make them homeless. I don't know how old the children are, but I just don't think that's very okay. Everyone else, I feel like, is safe where they are, but there are also some that I was thinking about letting go, but maybe weren't really. They were also, married to somebody and also, or like the sole supporter of somebody or had some kids. So it was a fairly straightforward assignment, but I'd say Bob and Amy were the two that I would let go.